Nĩ matigari ma nyumba imwe ya toro thukuru-ini wa Michuki Technical uri mwena wa Kagema kaunti-ini ya Murang'a thutha wa mwaki gututhuka nyumba-ini ino na gucina indo cia muigana itoikaine. Mwaki ucio uri uragwatirie Arutwo makihoera kigeranio kiao kiria gitanyitwo kwambiriria kiumia turorete ni urageririe kuhorio ni Arutwo kamwira ngari cia guthima mwaki cia thirikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a gukinya na guteithia hari kuhoria. Akeria thutha wa mutino ucio, munini wa kamishna wa Murang'a mwena wa Kagema William Lanaremo ni oreti andu a wendi mwega guteithĩrĩria Arutwo thukuru-ini ucio na indo cia kuhuthira niguo meke kigeranio ciao kamwira thukuru ucio hingĩtwo.
One dormitory is completely burned down, including the damages, property from the students damaged, and we see how to address that problem. But we do appeal also to other willing donors, agencies, come together. Let us work together so that we can assist the students who are affected.
We have not lost life, and we have not had any injuries from the staff or the students at all.
Ona kuri oguo, thirikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a kugerera mutaratara wayo wa mwanya ni yugite ni gutigira ni gwakwo nyumba ingi ya toro kamwira thukuru ucio hinguritwo January mwaka turorete.
The county government will, after the crisis meetings tomorrow, we'll make a report so that we can approach our department for the special program so that we can be able to assist the institution on how, when the student will be coming, that they can find their hostel intact.
Uthuthuria wa kiria kiracungiririe mwaki ucio no urathie na mbere. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njĩta kama wa mwaki.